If your Chase Bank account has been restricted, you can appeal the decision by following these straightforward steps. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Gather information. Collect all relevant information regarding your account, including your account number, any communication from Chase regarding the restriction, and any documentation that may support your case. Step 2. Contact customer service. Call Chase Bank's customer service at the number provided on their website or your account statement. Explain your situation clearly and ask for details on why your account was restricted. Step 3. Submit a written appeal. Prepare a written appeal that outlines your case. Include your account information, a description of the issue, and any supporting documents. Make sure to be concise and professional in your communication. Step 4. Follow up. After submitting your appeal, follow up with Chase Bank to ensure they received your request. This can be done by calling customer service or checking your account status online. Step 5. Be patient and stay informed. Wait for a response from Chase regarding your appeal. During this time, monitor your email and account for any updates. If you do not receive a response within a reasonable timeframe, consider reaching out again for an update. By following these steps, you can effectively appeal an account restriction with Chase Bank. Good luck, and remember to stay proactive in your communication.